welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for AWS jobs, fresher job openings, then this is the best channel for you to look into the jobs. Okay. So before beginning to the today's video, if you're a new viewer to my channel, please subscribe. I'm going to show about some 250 AWS DevOps jobs. So let's get into today's video. Okay. The first job opening from today is from the TCS company, that is Tata company. As you can see here, the Tata Consultancy Services. The position is for the DevOps engineer. Okay, the location is, they are mainly hiring from the Pune location. If you want to apply to the job opening, go to this here, apply on a company website. They have posted this job opening on December 5th, 2023. Okay, here they have given about the job description. Proficiency in Git, branching strategy, merging code lines, resolving conflicts. This is very easy and common. If you are a DevOps engineer, this is very basic. Okay, basic thing you should know about this. And they also asked about hands-on experience on GitLab CI/CD pipeline. They have asked about the GitLab CI/CD pipeline, not Jenkins. Okay, remember this point. YML manifest configuration. You should write YML manifesting. Okay, and hands-on experience in Linux shell scripting, installation, configuration, and troubleshooting. You should have a very good, and you should be very proficient in Linux as well as writing or shell scripting. And you should be able to install the software's configuration, etc. Okay. And they also mentioned about the hands-on experience on Docker, creating Docker images using Docker file. You should know how to create the image by writing the Docker file. Okay. And they also mentioned about Docker containerization, container and resist everything. And also mentioned about just Kubernetes. This is where they have asked near hardly 4 to 5 of skills. So this every DevOps engineer, we have these skills. So this is very good opportunity. Just go to this, apply on the company website and apply to this job opening. They haven't mentioned that any experience, any internship, nothing they have asked. Okay, this is very good opportunity. Please apply. Before going to the second job opening, if you are a first viewer to my channel, please go and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button because I want to reach the 1K before the New Year's. I'm requesting everyone to please subscribe. Okay, and one more thing is, if you want all these job opening links, means please message me at this Instagram handle. Vishwa Karkale, and you just mention the AWS fresher. You need to mention AWS fresher. Okay, then I'm going to send you the complete links freely without any money. Okay, now let's get into the second job opening. The second job opening is from the One Data Software company. Okay, here as you can see, they have many open positions currently. They are hiring. So let's get into the only AWS job section. Okay, we are the forefront technology innovation, and we are looking for the skilled and passionate AWS DevOps engineer. They are mainly looking for the AWS DevOps engineer. Okay, they haven't mentioned anything about these skills here much more. Yeah, just mentioned about the location, and the job type is full time, and it's also an intern. Okay, it might be full time or it may be intern. Okay, salary is negotiable. Okay, so just go to the apply section and you can apply to the job opening. This is the second job opening which I wanted to show you for the today. And let's get into the third job opening. The third job opening is from the Comprino Technologies. Okay, here they are mentioned for the DevOps engineer internship. If you are the person who is ready to switch, or who is having who want to do an internship, you can apply to this job. You can apply to this internship. Here they mentioned qualification as an engineering or a technology graduate. If you have completed your graduation, or if you have completed your engineering, or if you have completed your PG in computer science or in information, then you are eligible for this. Okay, eligibility, they are given from 0 to 6 months of industrial experience. If you don't have any experience at all, you can apply to the job opening. Or if you have done 6 months, if you have done any one internship in the past 6 months, or if you have the experience of past 6 months, you can apply to the job opening. Okay, the computer science or in information technology graduate. Here they mention about the computer science or IT technology. Okay, and experience with various operating systems like Linux and Red Hat. Okay, you should be very good at Linux as well as Red Hat, Ubuntu, Windows, and OS. If you know any 2 or 3 also, fine, but at least you should know 2. Okay, and they have mentioned about the networking, TCP IP networking, and they have mentioned also the Python and advanced bash scripting. This is very common. If you are DevOps engineer, they are going to compulsory ask you about the networking, scripting, Python, coding skills. Also, you need little bit of codings. Everything is needed. So learn Python. It's very easy. And desirable familiarity with AWS cloud platform. We should be very good at AWS cloud. And desirable DevOps tool exposures. Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, Terraform, etc. These are very common tools which are been in the industry from past 5 years, 6 years. So if you have learned all these skills, means you can apply to the internship. Expectation, quick ramp on to relevant technologies. Here they are mentioned. You should be able to know about the upcoming as well as the trending technologies. It may be about the AWS or it may be about the Devops. Okay. So these are the main skills which I asked. And expected credentials. Look at this AWS certifications. If we have done any AWS certifications or cloud partitioner solution architect, that would be very good. Okay. And GitHub profile demonstrating coding skills and programming proficiency. Mention this in your resume. Okay. This is this will be very useful for you if you are applying to this internship. And references to the blogs if you are regularly writing. If you are writing any blogs in Hashnode, Medium, anything, you can mention them also in your resume and just go to the apply section in your apply. Okay. The next comes is here, the cloud support engineer. The cloud section also they have mentioned about diploma, bachelor engineering, same. Whatever they are given, they are looking for the AWS DevOps also. They are looking for the same skills candidate. Okay. Mention is 0 to 6 years of experience, and they have a certificate. If you have cloud partnership certificate, that will be very added advantage for you. Okay. And the next is they ask for the hands-on experience with Linux and Windows OS setups. We should able to have the experience on Linux as well as Windows operating system. Okay. And familiarity with the monitoring tools, CloudWatch and other cloud tools. You should know how the CloudWatch is going to work, how you need to set up the CloudWatch, how the CloudWatch is going to set alarm. We should know everything about the cloud. Okay. Familiarity with other AWS services such as account creation, VPC, CloudFront. We should able to create the account, AWS account, and you should able to create VPC, CloudFront, everything. Should be ready to work in a rotation 24 into 7 shift. Okay. This is a rotational shift. Okay, guys, please remember this one. We should be able to ready to work at any shift. Should be versatile in problem solving and resolving complex issues ranging from OS and application. We should be able to solve the errors, that is from OS to application faults. Okay. Level 1 and 2 knowledge of operating system, Linux and Windows. You should have the knowledge of L1 and L2 on the Linux and Windows. Okay. And good communication skills very mandatory. Should have a good hands-on experience on the cloud cost optimization. If you are a DevOps engineer, the main thing is cloud cost optimization. Please learn this. Okay. Security audits and reporting. Reporting is very important for us. Must feel comfortable working in fast-paced and flexible environment. Okay. You should be able to work very fastly, and you should be very dynamic in the work period. Okay. And you will be participation in an on-call rotation, operate effectively in a global 24/7 environment. They may give you a call rotation at any time, so you should be prepared. Technical skills they also mentioned. You should be cloud knowledge, AWS, GCP, Microsoft. If you are good at anyone, that is fine. Not all these are mandatory. Require the ability to multitask and work well under pressure. Okay, they might give a put under pressure. Okay. Scripting knowledge will be added advantage like Shell and Python. If you know shell scripting or Python scripting, that is fine. Strong knowledge on Linux and Unix administration, Linux or Unix. Okay. Require excellent communication skill. You should be able to coordinate with each other team members. Ability to learn new technologies and monitor site reliability and performance. You should be able to monitor the application performance. Okay. And monitor and analyze the system logs. As I already told, we should analyze the system logs also. And this soft skill should be possessed and excellent in verbal written presentation skill. This is very, very basic in common. So apply to this also. Just go to the apply section and apply. Okay, these are the third job openings which are shown today. The next one comes is here. Go to the LinkedIn. There is a section called there is a person called Chandan Taluja. Okay, he is currently hiring for the DevOps engineer with 0 to 1 years of experience. The company he is hiring for is fresh guards are welcome to apply. Say if anyone in network, you can directly send a resume to his email ID. Okay, or otherwise you can mention him and you ask him for the referral. Okay, this is the fourth job opening which I want to show you. The next one comes is here. The company name is Can Technologies Private Limited. They are mainly looking for the cloud intern opportunities. If you are looking for cloud intern opportunities, then this is a golden opportunity. Salary they have also mentioned from 6,000 to 12,000 per month. They have clearly mentioned. Okay, this is purely a day shift, no rotational shift, no night shift, and the experience. If you have have 1 year of experience, then there are high chances of getting you selected into this internship. If you don't have any internship also, you can apply this Java internship. If your profile is good and if you have some very good hands-on project experience, they are going to hire you. Don't worry if you don't have the experience also. If you have done some good amount of projects from YouTube or Udemy, that is very fine. You apply to this. Okay. They have mentioned here able to commute Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and ability to relocate is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. This is completely a day shift, no night shift. Okay. You can directly call to this number and you can speak with the employer. They have the given number and go to this section here. Easy apply and update it to job opening. So this is the fifth job opening which I should do. Now let's get to the sixth one. Here there is a name. Here the company name is Neosoft Solution. Okay. Neosoft Solution. This is from the Ahmedabad, Gujarat location. They are mainly looking for the 1 to 2 years of experience. If we are switching from any other IT domain to AWS cloud, you can apply. Okay. If you have previously worked on any other domains, and if now you are able to switch into the AWS, you can apply to job opening. That is qualification. Any graduate IT field preferred. Look at this, IT field preferred. This is very important. Let's get to the direct SP section. Okay. Proficiency in specific cloud platform. You should be able to do it either at AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. It's not mandatory that you should be good at only AWS. It's a golden opportunity. If you know Azure and Google Cloud, also that is very, very, very good. Understanding of cloud networking concept. You should know networking. Okay, cloud networking like VPC, security groups, everything you should know. Familiarity with Amazon Web Services. If you know AWS, that will be highly preferred. Okay. Ability to manage resources in AWS environment. You should know. You should be able to manage the resources. Okay. Familiarity with CI/CD pipelines is added advantage. It may be you can work with the Jenkins or GitLab. It's your choice. Familiarity with the DevOps practices and tools. You should know about DevOps practice tools like Git, GitHub, Ansible, Maven, Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes. You should know. Okay. We can directly apply from here. Apply section. Okay. You can directly go to this skills. They have mentioned deployment management, Amazon, AWS, exam, VM. These are not mandatory. Okay? If you know these skills also, it's very fine. Okay. So apply to the apply section and you can apply to the job opening. These are the job openings for the today's guys. Have a good day. Bye.